Started in 1962, the Navy SEALs is an elite special force unit. SEALs are trained to operate in sea, air, and land, which is where they get their name.
About the SEAL teams, it's a different path than I guess your average person would take in the military. When I joined the Navy, information about the SEAL teams wasn't available. There were special forces, a lot of maritime operations. And I kind of had to take that leap of faith and reached a point where I'm like, all right, this is definitely something I would want to do.
The Navy SEALs are trained to handle any situation.
The SEAL teams, they all do everything.
We can make it to rally point! Pass it to LT!
But each one has their own specific role.
LT, this is Assault Team. We just lost.
Secondary extract.
Ray's a communications guy.
That's essentially my work. We all had our little piece of our contribution.
All copy, over.
Coordinates with upper command, air traffic control.
I've got two heading south. Gonna pick up trout.
To be a Navy SEAL, you are required to complete 4 phases of SEAL training. The first phase is a 7-week-long physical and mental training program. Each week, potential SEALs are supposed to perform better than before in a 4-mile run, obstacle course, and 2-mile swim. SEALs will also learn how to conduct hydrographic surveys. The second phase is combat diving. In 7 weeks, the recruits will learn underwater skills such as combat swimming and open and closed circuit diving. The third phase is land warfare. In this 7-week course, recruits will learn how to use weapons, explosives, navigations, patrolling, rappelling, and small unit tactics. The final 3.5 weeks, the recruits go offshore to apply newly learned skills. This will mirror work spent in the field. The fourth phase is SEAL qualification training, which is a 26-week course that will push the student to a more advanced degree of tactical training. This course is the final step for a student before they become a Navy SEAL. Each year, about 1,000 men start SEAL training. Although training success rates vary per class, usually about 200 to 250 men succeed each year.
Nothing
Once a SEAL completes basic training, they are required to perform missions of strategic importance to the United States, such as direct action, special recon, counterterrorism, and foreign internal defense.
"2012 marks 50 years of SEAL teams in the Navy inventory. In 1962, SEAL Teams 1 and 2 were formed and quickly went off to Vietnam and compiled a great record of success, which has continued. In 1983, the underwater demolition teams transformed themselves into SEAL teams as well. So 50 years of SEALs in the United States Navy, and now part of Special Operations Command as well. 70 years of U.S. Navy frogmen history, beginning in the early days of World War II. And since 1987, 25 years of naval special warfare as a component of both U.S. SOCOM and the United States Navy. I'd ask you to look at the future, make it a point to continue our successful legacy and keep our force relevant. Continue to develop yourselves personally, professionally, get education, get experience, and look to the future and make sure that we continue to be successful and relevant for our Navy, for the Special Operations Command, and for our nation.
I saw was smoke and fire. I didn't feel a thing, but suddenly I was rising higher, and I felt like I just made the biggest mistake. When I thought about my unborn child, when I thought about my wife, and the answer rang out clear from somewhere up above. No greater gift has man than to lay down his life for love. And I wonder, would I give my life? Or could I make that sacrifice? If it came down to it, could I take the bullet? Yes, I would for you. Maybe you don't understand. I don't understand it all myself. But there's a brother on my left and another on my right, and in his pocket, just like mine, he's got a photograph, and they're waiting for him back home, and it's weighing on my mind. I'm not trying to be a hero, I don't want to die, but right now in this moment, you don't think twice. I wonder, would I give my life? Could I make that sacrifice? If it came down to it, could I take the bullet? I would. Yes, I would. You don't think about it right, you don't think about it wrong, you just
a lot of preconceived notions of who we are, what we do. We're really hard workers. We practice, we're putting in those long hours, extended days, away from your family. And I just hope they can realize that and see us for who we are. You know, we're humans just trying to serve our country.
Rock it out!